welcome back to Mr. Dunn's art channel. So, you're going to do the overlapping project. It's a super simple one. It's to play around with an abstract drawing. So you're just going to create something out of your head and using shapes and things. And color it, maybe pen it would be nice on the edges. And learn about overlapping, getting things to go behind other things and then in front of shapes and stuff, okay? So what do I mean by that? Right there. Can you see that? Okay. Notice this line goes behind and comes back out in front, swirls around, goes behind it, comes out in front, right? Goes behind, in front, interweaving. Whew, how do we get to that? Well, we just started with one shape and added another and added another, added another. The pencil, you can erase the one behind and keep the one in front. If you drew through that, you can erase it there and then keep the one in front. And then later we colored it all up. And notice I colored with shading, so the edges are darker and the middle is lighter. So bring in your shading skills that you've hopefully learned already. Here's some student work. One thing is on top of another, on top of another. So on here you start on the thing that's closest to you. The closest one here is this blue one. Then you can draw the one behind it, the one behind it, behind that. Right? Here's can you see that? Right? Different shapes. It's really good as a shape. It can be lost and then found again. And I use the same color to make it clear that that's this shape going behind this shape. Right? Still a lot of side by side going on there. Do you want to use known shapes? There you go. This diamond's in front of this diamond, in front of this one, in front of this one, in front of this one. So this one's furthest away. They all overlap. We got some beads of maybe, what are they called? Pearls. Now, does this feel like there's a lot of overlapping going on? Not really, huh? There's some here. This is clearly on top of this. But some of these things just feel side by side. A lot of stuff is just, how come this isn't lost and showing up over here? One of the issues is because they did the entire paper. If you leave white paper, it's spots. It shows that that's air, and that's between the objects like this. So here, clearly, there's a lot of overlapping going off into the distance. It's the same shape, so that works. Oh, someone made a rose. Okay, so the rose is in front of the heart, which is in front of all these shaped backgrounds, right? But these shaped backgrounds really feel side by side. I don't get a sense of overlapping on anything. Maybe this corner here a little bit, right? That's why I think this stuff works better, these blobby shapes called organic shapes versus geometric shapes. I think organic shapes work better, right? Then we're back to mine. So organic shapes like this, rounded and curvilinear. You can weave them through. Once you draw a couple big ones, you can weave little ones through and around and have fun with it. It's a challenge. And teaches us that we can make things go behind and in front, behind and front. Right, layering, so it doesn't look so flat. Trying to get rid of the flat drawings, right? Remember when you were a kid, you had the tree with the people standing all side by side? All right, there you go. Have fun with that. And it's super easy. Go for it. You can do it.